Welcome to my YouTube channel in Wow Anand. Filmora have launched new features is AI text-based editing. In this feature, you can convert spoken words in your video's audio to text, or conversion from audio to text, and you can input subtitles in your own video. So let's start the tutorial. Click here for AI text-based editing. And now enable text-based editing. Now, it will take some couple of seconds to process. Processing is completed. Here you can see that AI convert any vocals in your video into editable text. Here, 3 dots with bracket are representing silent scene. Means in that particular scene there is no audio. That's why AI is representing with 3 dots with bracket. You can delete all silent scene with single click. Now, you can observe that all silent scene are deleted. AI text-based editing offers a transformative leap in video editing technology. You can now effortlessly convert audio in your videos into editable text, and it allowing you to modify your video content. It's just like editing a document. It's simple, easy, fast, and anyone can do it. Now, I will export it to main timeline. For it, click on Export to Timeline. Edit text that you want. You can move, rewrite, and adjust. And you can adjust the transcribed text from your video and make sure everything is on point. Or simply edit the text based on your own preferences and proceed from there. All of this is possible in a seamless and user-friendly interface of Filmora 13. Here, you can merge these two lines in a single line. Here you can change anything with text, like color, font or many more. Before AI, it took hours and hours of work to add correct subtitles to videos and movies. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching.